everyone! Welcome to my channel. For those who do not know me yet, I am Donabelia. Today, we are going to study on how to marcot a FICUS elastica, or commonly known as rubber tree. And I will take this FICUS ginseng as an example of rubber tree to be marcoted. Okay, so we will proceed now on how to marcot this FICUS ginseng, but I am going to show you first the things that we are going to use. First, we must have this knife, just a small knife, and with a blade that is sharp. And then a strip of plastic, coconut husk flakes, and it should be humid. And then this strip of straw to tie our marcot afterwards. Then this rich soil, which is made up of organic materials, so that our marcot will have many roots. And then, okay, how to marcot FICUS. First, we are going to select a branch that we want to be marcoted. Then like this, if we see that there are a lot of leaves, we will cut. Then to have space for our marcot, then we will slice at about 1 inch, make a mark. Then we will peel slowly. Peel the bark, Then we will scratch very slowly because this FICUS ginseng is very sensitive. It sometimes break because of too much scratching or peeling. Okay, why we should get this slimy portion, which I am scratching now, to prevent from the growing again of the bark that will be the cause of the failure of our marcot. Okay, there's still slimy portion. Okay, finish scratching. Now we are going to wrap our marcot. First, we will have this plastic, put the coconut husk flakes, then put the soil on top of it, push a little so that the soil will not scatter. Okay, then we put on the scratch portion. It should be positioned like this. Okay, make it close it tightly so that the insects will not enter our marcot that could be the cause of its failure, Lord. Then we tie with this straw. Now we tie on the upper portion. Be sure to make it tightly tied. Then we will check if it is not turning around. Okay, it's not turning around, so that the root will surely develop. This process of marcotting is applicable to other varieties of rubber tree. And just a friendly advice, especially to new gardeners, now that we are approaching to summer season, we need to spray water on our marcot to maintain its humidity in order to surely develop roots. Then, we may check after a month if there are roots appearing in it. And if there is, we need to wait until they turn into golden brown and we may harvest. Rubber tree is a popular ornamental plant from FICUS genus. It originated from India, Nepal, Myanmar, China, Malaysia, and other countries. What are the benefits you can get from rubber tree? According to Herzendaze, rubber tree has no allergic properties. It helps purify air, easy to grow, it has anti-inflammatory properties. And why we marcot? Because the benefits of marcot are easy to grow in a pot or planting direct to soil because it has existing roots already. We can easily carry and sell to the market. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated of my next video. So I hope that you learned something for today, and God bless. Take care always. Bye-bye.